Why should you or anyone move to a smaller home after retirement? Downsizing your home after retirement could be the key to unlocking a stress-free and fulfilling life. I'm going to show you how coming up. Hey, thanks for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker here in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area along the Florida Suncoast. I hope these quick 2-minute videos answer a lot of your real estate questions. Please hit the subscribe button, subscribe below, and check out over 100 more real estate video topics too. Now, back to our question. Why would you or anyone move to a smaller home after retirement? Retirement is a time for fun and doing what you love. And if your current house isn't going to work for this new chapter in your life, it may be time to look for something smaller. I know, interest rates and all that other crap. But downsizing saves you money on utility bills, home insurance, and reduces the amount of maintenance and upkeep you're responsible for. And just generally makes your life simpler. And that's what we want. Plus, it can help with certain health or mobility concerns you may be dealing with now or as you age, 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years from now. And the best part is, you may already have the money you need to downsize right now. Most homeowners today have lots of home equity. If you're one of them, you can use it to buy a smaller home and lower all those costs. If you're interested, let's connect. I can help you sell your house and find a new one, a smaller home. So, if you're thinking about buying or selling on the Florida Suncoast, Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area, on or near the beach, we can help. Hit the button, subscribe to this channel below, or call us anytime at 855-MR-BEACH. Of course, you can see homes for sale on or near the beach anytime at MrBeachHouse.com and see your home's current value. It's fast, it's free, and it's easy at WhatIsMyHomeReallyWorth.com.